Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, airbags, driver, knee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.